Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. In today's mixed media project, I'm going to be using these stamps and I'm using watercolor paper, and I'm going to use this Versamark and stamp on that. I'm just making sure that it's on the right side, so I'm going to stamp on the watercolor paper. I already gessoed it. Now I'm going to use white embossing powder. You may not be able to see it, but once I put the colors, maybe you can see those stamps clearly. So I'm going to heat emboss it. Now I'm using this vintage photo spray, distress oxide spray. So I'm going to spray that, and I'm going to also use little bit of another color in that, and then I'm going to spray some water. Then I'm using this marmalade distress oxide spray. Then I'm going to heat everything. Now I'm going to splatter a little bit of all those different colors. I'm going to dry everything again. Now I'm using this crackling campfire distress oxide, and I'm going to stamp on the sides. Now I'm using different stamps on the top, and I'm using dusty Concord distress oxide. Now I'm using some different stamps on the top, and giving it a different textures. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. Now I'm stamping this round circle grungy stamp, and I'm using archival ink. So I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm going to color these flowers. I'm using neocolor crayons. Now I'm going to place it on the page and see, and then I'm going to use the glue and stick on the page. So I'm going to now let it dry everything, and then I'm going to use my black gel pen, and I'm going to draw the outline. I'm using this Faber-Castell brush pen. Now I'm using this stickles, and I'm going to put it on the center of the flower to give some sparkle. So that gives a good sparkle. Now I'm going to stick the coat on the page. So I'm going to use this black neocolor and do some shading around the flowers. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. I will see you in my next video with the new ideas. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. Thanks again, and thank you for taking some time and watching my videos. I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.